Kasorkar jila kala kubur ba kajiai le Klet iki Nonghikai hakipor Ladep. Usimbut Menteri Rangba kajila ba Preston Tensong ulaong bakum kasorkar kajiai lan bat Klet ban pai kmat shiki Nonghikai. Yakani ula krena ka jingkli perdai ka Shlem jangka College of Teachers Education PGT Shillong bla betingka ka North Eastern Council na kabenta ka jingtai yakate ka Shlem lembat ka Rusa na kabenta ka Surok bat kiwei ki jingdon kam. Hakanik singila sakilang u Menteri Rangba ke Jela u Konrad K. Sangma u Simbut Menteri Rangba Pak Preston Tensong u Commissioner and Secretary ke Tanat Pule Putih u Dr. B.R. Tiwari ke Principal ke Teka College ki Nonghikai na lor kiwei. Habakran hakate ke singi u Simbut Menteri Rangba u laong pa u Klet ya ke jingkordor ki Nonghikai u laong ma u lani u Menteri Rangba ru ke nomlong kumne kumbakilong menta Lada omdei na ki Nonghikai ki belam lunti. Ulong bakum ka sarkar wa lapring ki shibun ki jington ju ba ki jing e kayai ya le ban penbet pinbiang ki jingdon kam jong ka chilla baro. Ulakar ku kerdo e ka college bakan yai kiu shaprang ban pentlon ya ka kam bat ban sei ki Nonghikai ki ban long ki atiar ban kentiu ya ka lawe ki kena samla.
Where sometimes myself I forget this. We used to forget our teachers. In fact, I am as I am because of them. Sri Konrad Sama being the chief winner, he is also disabled. We are just because he is also because of them. But sometimes we forget their teaching community. But I am very happy to tell you, as government, in spite of so many challenges, we are trying to meet the aspiration one by one. And in the years to come, our intention is very clear. We wanted to make Meghalaya the best state in the education sector. So friends, I don't want to take much time. I am so happy